Hi everybody, I want to do a video on Asgardex as the latest release is just out. This version here, you can get it from GitHub here, or you can go to asgardex.com and download it. So this is the latest, and there's been a lot of changes since I've done a video previously. So I just wanted to walk through what those changes are so you can get a better idea. So the first thing you'll notice is this kind of like sidebar for the different functions. So you can easily get to swap or get back to your wallet wherever you are in the application. So that's really cool. And then starting with a wallet, you have your same assets and stuff like that. Trade assets is there. LP shares hasn't been a change here. Savers room pool, it's a bit of an update. So you can go ahead and use room pool to add and remove from your room pool. As the main change is going to be the bond, where if you're a bond provider, Asgardex is going to go ahead and look at all the bond providers and see whether your connected wallet here, or a ledger connected, is a part of those bond providers that's been listed within THORChain. And if it is, it's automatically going to load it and then show you your particular bond provider. So this is here is a bond provider of 5 Rune. It's just for testing. And then it's going to show me, how much Rune I have, as well as the dollar amount. So that's really cool. If you've got wallets with heaps of bond provider, it can, add it all up for you. And then another feature is to be able to add to the whitelist. So obviously this is here highlighted. You can add and remove other ones to the whitelist. And by flicking this little toggle here, you can start to, add, remove other bond positions or bond provider positions that you might own to this total, because you're not always going to have all of your, wallets connected at the same time. And you might have ledgers and all that type of stuff, different key stores. So, you can go ahead and, add and remove different nodes as well as bond positions, so you can get an understanding of all of your positions across all of the nodes, and it'll automatically add them all up for you to how much Rune as well as how much dollar value you have in real time. So, and if you want to remove it, you can just go to the whitelist, click on this and start removing them and that type of thing. So that's a really cool feature. A lot of serious node operators had been asking for that. The history has also been updated just to have all the relevant events like room pool, bond, unbond, trade, that type of stuff. So you'll be able to get a bit more information out of history, else you can just go to RuneScan. So that's the wallet stuff. Then we have the swap. So the swap's been redone. I'm not sure if I went through this in my last video, but if you go to, you get a swap quote, and then you can open up the swap details, get all the relevant details here, and you're good to go. So that swap portfolio has been introduced and progressed a lot since it first came in. And we have here, this looks at your total positions. So it's everything, your wallet balance, as well as all of these other tabs. It adds them all up and puts them in this portfolio here. So your wallets, your LP, savers, room pool, bonds, and this will be your connected, not what you've whitelisted at the moment. And then this will show you your total position here, which is really cool. Saves you, moving through all the tabs. So this will do it by type, like what service you have within THORChain, and then this will do it by chain as well. So you can, go ahead and verify that. If you change that to Maya, it'll go ahead and show you the Maya stuff as well. So we want to get that where it's just like shows you all the chains across, but step by step. You can also go, if we go back to THORChain, go here and have a look at the the numbers and say, I want to manage my room pool, click manage, and it'll take you to the relevant spot. So that's the portfolio. It's also a work in progress. There's going to be some updates in the next release. I'm using some new libraries, make things look more fancy, but it's still a really good spot to see everything in one spot via type, and as well as the funds on the chain. We don't look at individual assets, just the total value on the chain, adding it all up. So it'd be like your AVAX, your Solana, and all that type of stuff. The pools has been moved because I think it was like a tab. It was the first one here, just here, so you can get the pool prices and the information, but we haven't those details have been taken away, just don't really need them. Go to THORChain.net if you need that type of stuff. So now it's just more of a simplistic pools overview where you can get all the relevant pool information that you might want. The settings has been redone. Instead of like one massive page, it's been split up into like 3 different tabs. So you have your general, like network, DEX, language, that type of stuff here. Then the main one people are going to use is likely going to be the wallet area, where you can turn off and on chain so they don't appear in the wallet, and it will tell you. You can also go ahead and add like these accounts, which is like saving an address. So here I've got like a ledger account. I'll just go ahead and delete that. You could do this for people that you send to often and all those type of things, and that will integrate into the send function. So if I go, select the chain and I want Thor, put the address, type ledger, and when I go ahead and store it, it's going to save that. And like I said, I can reuse that address in another area. So that way I know I'm not, copy pasting or fat fingering an address. I can have that as a pre-saved and reload, kind of like what you do in exchanges. So we have all that information here. We've also got the whitelist functions being moved into this type of function. So this enables what tokens you add and remove within the wallet section. So like for AVAX, I have Solana enabled, which is really cool. I could do this for other like ERC20s and stuff like that to show them if I have them, or I've utilizing these assets through another DEX, or like I've got them in my wallet for some reason. You can turn that off and on, and that will start to show, like, see, I've got Solana here. Start to show them here, and there's like a little hint if you've got more stuff that's within your wallet that's not shown, it will show you that information as well. There's also, if you swap to a token that's not whitelisted, it'll automatically turn it on, so that way you can see it when you obviously see the swap output. If you didn't know, Base and Solana has been added here. So you've got these wallets available, and once they get activated on THORChain, that'll just automatically work, which again, it's just really cool. So that way you can start using Asgardex as your Base and Solana wallet to at least just to send and receive and that type of thing. Obviously you can't swap, there's no route for it. You've still got that information there. All right, cool. That's just a quick video on the latest version of Asgardex. We've got here 1.22.9. If you've got any questions, comments, queries, put them in the comment section below. Asgardex also has a new Discord server. So if you're not a part of that, do join up. All the links are on the website or in the THORChain dev Discord. So go check it out. Come and say hello. If you have any feature requests, put them in, let us know. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.